Hello legend! In today's video, we are diving into the heart of the kitchen, exploring 30 essential ingredients that make Spanish dishes truly legendary. I will also give you some hints along the way. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Tomate, tomato, tomate. Cebolla, onion, cebolla. Ajo, garlic, ajo. And very important, J in Spanish is pronounced as the H in English. Aceite de oliva, olive oil. Aceite de oliva. Pimiento, bell pepper, pimiento. And very important, the O at the end is very important not to be misunderstood with pimienta, which means black pepper. But we'll see that afterwards. Patata, potato, patata. Arroz, rice, arroz. Limón, lemon, limón. Pescado, fish, pescado. Marisco, seafood, marisco. Carne de cerdo, pork, carne de cerdo. Pollo, chicken, pollo. Carne de res, beef, carne de res. Jamón, ham, jamón. Queso, cheese, queso. Huevos, eggs. And very important, the H in Spanish is never pronounced, not even at the start of the word and neither in the middle. Harina, flour, harina. Same tip as before, the H at the start of the word is not pronounced. Pan, bread, pan. Vinagre, vinegar, vinagre. Vino, wine, vino. Azúcar, sugar, azúcar. Sal, salt, sal. Pimienta, black pepper, pimienta. Remember what I said before? Don't misunderstand pimienta with pimiento. Pimienta means black pepper and pimiento means bell pepper. Azafrán, saffron, azafrán. Hierbas, herbs, hierbas. Perejil, parsley, perejil. Laurel, bay leaf, laurel. Tomillo, thyme, tomillo. Romero, rosemary, romero. And the most difficult one, oregano, oregano.